or place 1 drop on the top of your hand right here and then lick it off. And I like to use doTERRA's Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's Digestzen Essential Oil Blend. Digestzen is well known for its ability to aid in digestion, soothe occasional stomach upset, and maintain overall digestive health when taken internally. This unique blend contains ginger, fennel, and coriander to help ease occasional stomach discomfort, including motion sickness and indigestion, while peppermint, tarragon, and anise and caraway aid with digestion and help maintain a healthy gastrointestinal tract or GI tract. Digestzen is great to have on hand when stomach upset occurs and is safe and effective. Internal use of Digestzen is a healthy, natural, and gentle way to soothe an upset stomach or maintain a healthy digestion system. The top 3 ways to use doTERRA's Digestzen Essential Oil Blend are aromatic, so that means breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of Digestzen are that it supports healthy digestion and helps with occasional stomach upset, bloating, gas, or occasional indigestion. The directions for use are rubbing 1 to 2 drops of this oil blend on your stomach area to help with bloating, gas, or discomfort. You can also place 3 to 4 drops in a veggie capsule and take before meals, or place 1 drop on the top of your hand right here and then lick it off. And I like to use doTERRA's veggie caps right here. And what I do is I just take one out, and then I place the essential oil inside, close it, and then I take with food and water for best results. The food I like to choose is more whole plant foods, close to the ground, and then the waters I like to use are reverse osmosis, alkaline, or distilled. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit the subscribe button for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.